My ryobi 2000 watt generator has a rough idle then stalls out. How can I fix this?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Try draining the carburetor. It has a drain screw in the bottom of it, and if there is any water in the fuel, it could be drained here. Operator's Manual page V. http://www.ryobi-tools.com/product_manual/file_URL/538/re2000t_trilingual.pdf.
I did and it's running better, but still rough, just not stalling out anymore.
The carburetor may need to be removed and through cleaning. If it had water in it, it may have rust or debris inside the carburetor. At least it is running. You might try a good gas additive for deposits.
Okay, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.